Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to hold your device's display and select Preferences over here. Then choose App Lock. Now you need to click on one of those login methods, Pattern Unlock or Pin Unlock, and you can also tap on those two switches next to Fingerprint Unlock and Face Unlock to use those features to unlock your apps as well. I will go with Pattern though. Now enter your login method, choose Continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on OK at the bottom right corner as well. From here you can log in into one of your accounts or choose Skip at the bottom. Now tap on an app that you wish to lock. I will go with Facebook and choose Home button. As you can see now, when I go back and try to access Facebook app, Pattern is now required. If you wish to unlock your app, you can do that by going into the same settings, choosing App Lock, entering your login method and tapping on the same app. If you wish to disable App Lock from all of them, you can click on this switcher over here. To enable it, tap on the same one. In order to disable App Lock completely though, you can click on this gear icon at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and choose Reset App Lock. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!